everyone, I welcome you to Constech Academy. We will proceed with where we have stopped in our previous lesson. We look at this place, the comment. Okay, the comment. So let's first write a code for this. Okay, how do you write the code? By now, you should be familiar with the VBA course. At least we'll just use one of the details over here. So you just copy this. Just copy this. So come back here. We right click on it and we go to assigned micro. We delete all of that is that, and we just write clear all comments. Okay, clear all comments. We'll come to the micros then we select the name of our micro. Okay, then we click on new to open this for us. Then we can paste this there. So yeah, we'll just edit it. Do you want to clear comments? Do you want to clear comments? And here will be clear learners comment. Clear learners comment. Okay, now we'll come back. Just copy this. I don't like copy C, Control C to copy, and okay, that's it. So now let's go back to where we want to clear, and we set the range. We want to clear from this place. So the first cell is what? You can go to view and to show the formula bar. Okay, the first cell here is C11. Just copy C11, go to developer tab, click on Visual Basic, and then C11 is already there. Okay, now we want to clear from here to the end of this. Here is H. So locate the last cell. H what? The last cell. Okay, H what? Click here to select the last cell. Is H 211. So copy it and go and paste it over there. Okay, and paste it here. So that's all. You can save it. Control S to save your work. Now it is saved. Now let's come back. There's nothing there, so it will not. There's nothing there. Okay, there's nothing there, so we can write something for now and see. And let's hit on this clear button and see the magic. Okay, it has cleared successfully. So it has been cleared successfully. So let's work on this place. Just click here and to send it to that place. So we have been working on it. So these are some of the conduct we want to use. So I'll select all to the range where I want to select, and then I'll just give it I'll format it. I'll give it a red color. Okay, I'm okay with it. So what are some of the conducts? So I'll write some conduct for you and you add the rest to it. So conduct respectful. We can talk about humble. The conduct of the person can be humble, sociable, approachable. Some students, they are very approachable. They are calm. They are helpful. They help others when they are in need. They are some of them are truants. When they come to school, they run away. Some of them are also disrespectful. Some are bully. They bully their colleagues. These are some of the conduct. You can add more. As well, let's come to attitude. The attitude of the person, how he responds towards work. So hardworking, very friendly, very serious in class, dependable. Some of them, they have a very good attitude, which you can depend on. Dependable. Lazy. Some of their attitude, lazy attitude. Slow in what? In working. If they give them work, it will take time. Not regular in class, not regular in school. Not serious in class. Always sleeping in class. Sleeping in class. These are some of the attitude. You can add as many as you want. Let's look at the interest. What the person is good at doing. Writing, reading, singing, dancing, drumming, drawing, poetry reciting. Some people, they can recite poetry. Poetry reciter or reciting. Some are very good. Did I clear the poetry? Reciting. Okay. So under interest, sports and game, drumming, writing. You can add singing. So these are some of the interests. You can add as many as you want. So let's go to the class teacher's remark. Okay, some of the class teacher's remark, I would say, could do better. Excellent, keep it up. More room for improvement. Has not improved. Okay. Needs special attention. These are some of the comments of the teacher. Good at maths, good at English. You can read this in good at mathematics. Good at science. You can add more. Should back up. should be serious in class. Let's go to the head teacher's remark. Remark, it can also be the same as this one. Yeah, you know yourself, so you can add some comments. Not to make this video long, I will paste what is there. I'll add need counseling. Headmaster remarks, needs what will I say, or needs to improve in the weaker what I am doing in the weaker area, the weaker areas. You know what I was doing? I just cut and paste it here. So you can expand this if you like. You can expand this and reduce this. So let's look at the promoted. You can write basic what? Basic if it's for one class. So you can write basic. I'll write basic 8. Basic 8. Basic 9. Repeated. We develop a system whereby in some cases where we write some we use a promotion mark, but in this time around we are not doing that. Okay, so this is the comment. So we are done with this one, so let's come back to the comment section. So now we will select the whole of this to the last student. Okay, we'll select to the last student. Select to the last student. So after you have selected, that is the conduct, right? We have selected it. So that's conduct. Go to data and go to this data tools. Under data tools, you go for data validation. Then you click on allow, go for list, and then go to source. Click here, then you come to the comment setting, and you select this you select it. I'm going to select you the ones that I haven't selected. My focus is that somebody will buy the software and may input his or her conduct, attitude, interest. That's why there's those gaps. So after you're done, you just click here. Then you input a message. So just give a note. I will say notice. I will say notice. I will say kindly choose or select. Kindly select from the drop down. Okay, so I'll just click on OK. I'll copy this so that I'll not be writing it. So when the user come here, notice, so that just click here. So I'll select. So we'll do the same thing to attitude. So I'll select attitude. So I'll go to data, click the drop down data validation, and I'll come to setting. I'll come here and I'll go for list, and I'll click here and I'll go to a common section. Then I'll select the whole of this to here. Okay, I'll click here. Then I'll go to input message. I'll just paste there and I'll write the notice. Click on OK. So this one will also appear. Okay. Now let's come to interest. We'll do for interest also. Now go to data validation. Then you go for just paste this here and write there notice. You can write notice or anything that you prefer. Go to settings and click on list and come here, go to source, click on this drop down, go to settings, comment settings, and select the select here, click on it and click on OK. I'm going to do for class teachers remarked. Now you now click here, this sign, look, this sign is data validation sign. So click on list and go to source and go to comment settings and you select here to the last one, to this one, and click on this, go to input message, write notice, and then paste this and click on OK. That's the class teachers remark. So see, but if you don't want to see those spaces, you can select where you have the conduct, what you have written, okay, or what you have typed. But if you are developing it at the end of the day, you sell it, then you should give more option so that the person who is buying can also do his settings. So let's go to the head teacher's remark. So I'll select all and I will select to the bottom. Okay, so I'll go to data validation and I'll paste that over there and I'll write the notice. Go to the settings, go to list and go to the source, and that will be the head teacher's remark. So select this and click on this drop down and input message. I've done it, just click on OK. So let me select so you come and select Okay. If there are a lot of things that you can do yourself if this is what I want to achieve at the end of the day. Okay, I know the student and their performance, so some people can create another column here for total score, which we use it to determine. You can do that, but I'm not interested in that. So we are following what I want to achieve. So let's go to the last one. The last one is this one. Select to the end. And then go to data validation. And then paste what you have copied. Write the noticed. Then go to the settings. Go to list. And go to source and select comment settings. And we just select this. I'm going to select these three. Then click on this drop down and click on OK. So just come here. So for you to determine the promotion, you can add the total score. Okay, looking at the total score over here. Okay, you can do that. Okay, you can achieve that after you have created the master sheet. You get a total scores in the master sheet, and then you just make reference to it at this place. Let's see if I'm doing the master sheet, I will make provision for that. Okay, I'm just giving a suggestion. Okay, so that is all for today. In our next lesson, we'll look at the master sheet. We'll look at the master sheet before we come to report and then SMS. Thank you very much. Make sure you save your work. Thank you.